Are you looking to pick up your kids from soccer practice in style?
That's why we pulled up this 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250.
Let's take a look inside and figure out why it would be the perfect fit for you and your family. A great safety feature of this vehicle is that everything can be controlled by your voice, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road and push a bunch of buttons.
Whether you want to use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or the MBUX, everything can be controlled by your voice. So for example, hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
change the ambient lighting to blue.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Kids will love getting to change the colors in here.
This vehicle also comes with hands-free power liftgate, which means as long as you have the key fob on you and one swift motion with your foot, you can automatically open the trunk. It's great for if your hands are full and you can't get in your pockets.
These second row seats are easily adjustable if your kids need more space back here, or if they even need more space in between them. Coming around to the trunk of this vehicle is a really cool feature that allows you to add more space to the trunk. By simply detaching the floor of it, you can add more depth for your cargo.
One thing I'm also noticing about this is if you had loose things in the back, this would help prevent all that rolling around that goes on.
Absolutely.
Mercedes-Benz really prioritizes safety, collision prevention being one of them.
In the event that an accident would happen, this vehicle automatically adjusts everyone's seats, puts up the windows, and cuts off the engine to put everyone in the safest position possible.
There's a lot of features there that probably most people don't even think about.
Probably not. Well, there you have it. Those are some of the features that we think make this the perfect vehicle for you and your family.
If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or come visit us off Route 30 in Greensburg, or online at smailmercedesbenz.com.
Bye.